All right, welcome to the channel, friends. We are at Meckley's Flavor Fruit Farm. They've got a event going on today. You can kind of see over here, over here, you can see over here that the parking lot is starting to fill in. It just started here shortly ago. A lot of vendors we're going to check out. Let's go get a better look at their sign. Welcome to the Flavor Fruit Farm. All right. So there's the bar entrance that's up there. Got some people leaving with some goodies. They've got a real good bake shop here. All kinds of stuff we've got. Scents, clothing, farm homemade stuff, pets. Jewelry.
Yeah.
We might have to try that lemonade. There's the bakery entrance. Normally that line is just super long to get in. Picnicking over here. So here's the local. You see the menu there.
Today is Dial Duck Day.
Farm stuff. There's no vendors inside today.
As well. National Cancer Thriver Day. Yesterday was Speak Out the Park at America. It was a wonderful time with our
Red Bull drinks. Pick a flavor. Lemonade. Bow hunting creation. Taser ties. So we got joint smoking good foods, pulled pork, nachos, peach bourbon brisket. Ooh, that sounds good. Backyard big barbecue burrito. Got fried bread. Crab rolls, they got egg rolls. They got quite a bit going on. Safety first. I got the cooking unit on back. Social distancing. Pulled pork, brisket, chicken, smoked sausage, mac and cheese, beans. Loaded mac and cheese. Meals with 2 sides. This is Mr. Pitmaster.
But the normal, like,
This is PB&J. Then they've got burnt ends, jalapeno poppers, smoked wings, Priscilla, and jalapeno cheddar smoked sausage. Just a beautiful day today for an event here out in southern part of Michigan. So let's go check out the bar. Just look how pretty this is. Alright, I'll turn this off. We'll come.
You said you do 4 and 4. Can you do 4 beers and 4 ciders? Yeah. You want to do 2 plates? Just 4 in a flight.
Alright, so we got the camera set. So we got a flight of cider. Normally, when I come here, this place is just super rocking, so I made sure I tried to get here as early as possible. I don't remember the names of the ciders, but try this one. Ooh, that's really nice. So, I guess I missed the taco festival last month, so I'll try to remember that one for next year. So there's Mr. Pitmaster. There's PB&J, so there's 3 sizable, hefty looking barbecue vendors here. The lines were already forming up, and they looked like they were putting out some good stuff. Ooh. So here, these ciders are made here, or buy them somewhere. They've got an apple orchard on the property, and they're constantly doing different events. Ooh, that was nice. Excuse me. Definitely gonna have to come back and try their smash burgers at some point. She was saying in there that they're open Thursday through Sunday, so that might be something to do on a Thursday, is to come out here when it's not as active and kind of have a little bit more room to kind of explore stuff. But I wanted to get my stuff real quick because there was one couple that was up there, that a pair that it would take forever to kind of make their mind up. That line gets long, so it kind of felt like I was almost in an amusement park waiting in line for a while. But I figured I'd better get this early, and then not have to worry about anything later. Look at that. That is just nice looking. The flavors of these are just really good. Really like that one. I think this is my favorite. Nice and sweet. Yeah, real nice flavor. Not too heavy. So I think so there were some special menu options from PB&J, so I think I'm going to try those today. And one had a bit of a kick, so let's go get in line and we'll come back. I think we're going to do the wings and
I'll have the burnt ends on mac and cheese.
all right.
No, I think that'll be it.
Look at that. Lines are. Yep. Thank you. Look at that. So we got a sausage and we've got some wings. Let's go try these out. So all three of the trucks seem to be doing real good. So the pitmaster's got a 734 area code, so they're from the Metro Detroit area somewhere east of here-ish, give or take. I'll have to check the phone number. No, and I think that they were a 517, so that means they're somewhere from, you know, nearby-ish. So let's grab another table. All right. All right. Look at that. That's a nice chicken wing right there. Mmm. Camera keeps wanting to go up. All right, there we go. Mmm. Those are good. Bert, these are awesome. All right, so I got a sausage, jalapeno sausage. Ooh, real nice flavor. You can taste the peppers and the seasoning. Mmm, very nice. Look at that. Mmm. Mm.
Hi, baby.
Mm. Oh yeah. Mm. So, these items were special for today. The wings were 10, and the sausage was 8. Mmm. So for $8, I got a whole sandwich. I know a guy, one place, he was at a nice festival. Got charged $8 for a corn cob. It looked good, but then again, it is East Coast, and so the the prices over that way are going to be a lot different than what we have here. And then the other thing is prices in the middle of the state are lower than what you're going to pay when you go to Ann Arbor or Detroit. So bear that in mind. If you come to Michigan, Washtenaw County, Wayne County, Oakland County, a bit more pricey than other parts of the state. We've got a few new places in town that have connections to Detroit, and they're charging $20 for something when normally you get that same thing just as good for $15. Oh man, this is so good. A lot of people are getting barbecue and baked goods to go. I did a rookie move and forgot napkins. Great flavor on these. So now, if you ever find yourself in the area and looking for some good barbecue, PB&J is normally located south of Jackson. We're kind of in his neighborhood-ish. We are south of Jackson, about 15-20 minutes. And PB&J can normally be found in Brooklyn, Michigan. If you're a race fan or you're into concerts, the Speedway out there in Brooklyn does some big festivals and still do some races. So, and he's in town there. Unless he's at an event like this or, you know, catering something. He recently won a trophy at an area nationwide barbecue contest with teams from Texas and Mississippi, Canada, Ohio, across the state, and he got a trophy from that event. So you can see that video on the playlist that is attached to this video when it gets released. Man, that's a healthy amount of wings. So, anyways, there we go. All right. So there's some of the beverages. Some of the jams, spreads, some relish, some pickled beets, eggs. Ooh, some hot sauce. You're gonna have to try some of that. There's smoked habanero, cayenne pepper, and 4-pepper. Ooh. This is where they're making all the goodness. Donuts. There's the bunch of meat. Pizza. Ooh, meat lovers bake, take and bake. We have to make try some of this stuff. Gluten-free cauliflower pizza. Ooh. Gluten-free cheese pizza. If I was going straight home, I might get one of those cauliflower pizzas. We got Great Lakes, potato chip, Hot Daddy popcorn. I don't know why we don't carry those at work. All right. Right there, fresh onions. It looks like feed corn. And already start playing some music. All right. So that's the other thing with a lot of these things. They've got a lot of real nice vendors. Sometimes they just do craft fairs out here with some food trucks, but this one is, you know, a blend of both, of a event with vendors and with the barbecue, with the focus on the barbecue. All right. All right, well, thanks for stopping by the channel. If you're still with us, remember to subscribe, ding the bell for notifications, and like the video. I gotta go and do some other stuff, and whether that's in this video or not, I gotta burn those calories off that I just ate. So we'll see you soon.